How to use iOS 18 calculator. Let's get started. Whether you are solving simple equations or performing advanced calculations, this calculator has everything you need and more. So let's jump right in. First, launch your calculator app. First up, iOS 18 has removed the limit on how many digits you can enter. Before, if you were working with a large number, you had to switch to landscape mode. But now, just swipe left or right to see the rest of your equation, perfect for those extra long calculations. This makes working with larger numbers smoother and uninterrupted. Next up, we have equation history. If you want to revisit or edit previous calculations, just tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. There, you will find a list of your recent calculations. You can also delete old entries to keep things organized by going into edit mode. For all you math pros out there, iOS 18 includes a full scientific mode. Click on the calculator icon, select the option of scientific. Now you have got access to functions like sine, tangent, logarithms and more. Great for students or anyone doing advanced math. Now here's something super useful, built-in unit conversions. Tired of switching between apps? Tap the calculator icon in the bottom left. Enable for the option convert. Now you can instantly convert units like area, data or length. So here you're gonna find the list of the units that you can convert to. Heading towards next feature, Math Notes. If you are a more visual learner or performer handwriting equations, just tap the pencil and paper icon at the bottom right. Now go ahead and handwrite an equation like 5 into 10. It will recognize and solve it for you. Super intuitive. These features really make the iOS 18 calculator a complete tool, whether you are doing basic math, converting units or solving complex equations. It's all here in one app. That's a wrap for this video. If this tutorial was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.